Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about what to include in an email template for getting an acceptance letter. So let's start. First of all, you should have a subject line. Start with a clear and engaging subject line that grabs the recipient's attention. For example, request for acceptance letter. Or you can also write like seeking for a postgraduate position into your research group, or you can write seeking for a PhD position into your research group. After that, you can come to salutation. Here in salutation, you can write, begin your email with a formal salutation. Use receipts if you know it and a proper title. For example, dear professor and his name, dear Professor Dr. Chong Ming Wei, if like you need to have a proper salutation. After that, you will come to introduction. In the opening paragraph, introduce yourself briefly and mention your reason for writing. Be straightforward, concise. For example, I hope this email finds you well. My name is your name and I am writing to request an acceptance letter from the institution where you are writing the acceptance letter. So for example, if you are going to apply at Zhejiang University, and you can write, dear professor, the name of the professor, and then you will write, I hope this email finds you well. My name is your name and I am writing to request an acceptance letter from Zhejiang University. After that, you will come to provide context. Okay, in fourth step we will talk about providing the context. In this next paragraph, provide some context of yourself. Explain why you need an acceptance letter and how it will be used. For instance, I have been accepted into the program at institution and I require the acceptance letter as a proof of my admission. This letter is necessary for purpose like scholarship, employment. So in that case, for example, mostly when we are applying for the PhD, then we need an acceptance letter before we get the admission for PhD degree. But for master's degree, for example, if you have already got the admission and then you're going to choose the professor for your master's degree, then you can write, I have been accepted into that program and now I am seeking for acceptance letter from you. After that, we'll come to request the acceptance letter. Now clearly state your request for the acceptance letter. Be polite and specific about what you need. You can say, I kindly request that you provide me with an official acceptance letter that includes the relevant detail of my admission, such as, you can provide the, if there, for example, in there are some acceptance letter where you need to add the program code. For example, if you are going to apply for computer science, then computer science have their specific codes in that institution, so you need to provide that detail in your email. And then express your gratitude, express your appreciation for their help and cooperation. Be courteous and grateful in your tone. For instance, thank you in advance for your prompt attention to this matter. Your assistance in providing the acceptance letter is greatly appreciated. And then close the email with a formal closing, sincerely, best regards, followed by your name. Include your contact information, email, phone number in your signatures. After your name, then you should include your email address and your phone number so that professor can reach you out. And then proofread. Before sending, carefully proofread your email to check for any grammatical error, typos, or formatting issues. A well-written and error-free email demonstrates professionalism. So this part is very necessary. For example, if you have wrote an email to dear Professor Chang Ming Wei, and now another email you are writing to Professor Dong Ming Chan, another professor, and sometimes you forget to change the name, so that will put a very bad impression. So you should proofread your email always. And then remember to send as well. After ensuring everything is in order, click send button to deliver your email. Remember to attempt this template to your specific situation and ensure it remains professional, respectful, and to the point. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.